Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a real quick look at these women's house shoes. This has a suede outer layer and the inside and lining up at the top is super plush and soft, and it has a thick bottom sole, so you could very easily wear these outside if you need to grab your mail, take your trash out, what have you. And they are splash proof, so if you do wear them outside and it's wet, it's been raining, or it's currently raining, it's not going to damage the shoes because they have some mild protection from water. But these are going to be perfect for indoors and help keep your feet nice and cozy and warm, especially during colder seasons. There is an 80D memory foam inside, so they are super comfortable to wear. Now, I got these in the size medium, which is a 7 to 8 size. They are a little bit on the snug side because of the plushness, so I would err on the side of sizing up possibly if you are between sizes. Especially, they're nice and neutral. They're going to easily pair with a range of different pajamas and outfits, so I think these are really adorable. If you guys were looking for some wonderful house shoes that you can take outside if you need to, or to gift someone, these are a great option. I would definitely give these a try.